Hello, Tech Wizards. Today we're tackling a common issue that many Samsung soundbar owners face: how to fix Samsung soundbar not turning on. It's frustrating when you're ready for movie night or some pumped up tunes and the soundbar doesn't cooperate. But don't worry, we've got you covered with practical steps to breathe life back into your soundbar. Step 1. Check the basics. Before diving into technical fixes, let's start simple. First, ensure that your soundbar is properly plugged into a working power outlet. Sometimes the outlet might be the issue, so try plugging it into a different socket or testing the current one with another device. Once you're sure the outlet is supplying power, check the connection to your soundbar's power port. A loose or poorly connected cable can easily cause your soundbar to remain off. Step 2. Inspect and replace the power cable. If the basic checks don't solve the problem, the power cable may be faulty. Closely inspect the cable for any visible damage, such as cuts or frays. If you spot anything suspicious, replacing the cable could solve the problem. Cables can wear out over time, especially if they've been bent or stressed frequently. Make sure to use a compatible Samsung power cable to prevent further issues. Step 3. Use the remote to power on. Sometimes the soundbar is operational, but the manual power button isn't working. Try using the remote control to power it on. First, ensure the remote has functioning batteries. If the soundbar responds to the remote after you've changed the batteries or operating angle, the issue could be with the physical power button on the device itself. Step 4. Perform a power reset. Resetting your Samsung soundbar can clear minor glitches. To do this, press and hold the play-pause button on the soundbar's control panel or remote for around 5 to 10 seconds until you see a message on the display screen indicating a reset. This reset can sometimes resolve issues, preventing the soundbar from turning on. After the reset, try turning it on again. Step 5. Check for firmware updates. Another potential fix is updating the firmware of your soundbar. Connect your soundbar to the internet if applicable, or download the latest firmware from Samsung's official site and transfer it to the soundbar via USB. Keeping the firmware up to date can iron out bugs and ensure your device runs smoothly. Follow Samsung's firmware update instructions carefully to avoid any mishaps. Step 6. Consult professional help. If your soundbar still refuses to turn on after trying these steps, it might be time to seek professional help. Contact Samsung customer support or a certified technician for a more in-depth diagnosis. Keep the soundbar's model number and purchase details at hand for a smoother service process. Professionals have the right tools and expertise to tackle more complex issues, ensuring your soundbar gets back in action. Facing a Samsung soundbar that won't turn on is definitely a setback, but with these steps you can troubleshoot effectively. From checking basic power connections to performing resets and updates, a little bit of DIY can go a long way. Of course, if all else fails, professional support is there for you. By following this guide on how to fix Samsung soundbar not turning on, you're well on your way to enjoying your favorite movies and sounds once again. Stay tech savvy and enjoy your audio adventure.